Brad Williams, how about change Excel time to minutes? What did we do previously? We converted Excel hours. Well, we're going to change Excel minutes to normal time. What do we got here? I don't know what we have here. We have Excel time, 22:24. I'm going to assume those are hours. I'm going to do this because it's not clearly stated. So we have hours. How many minutes is this? 488. Can we do anything with this? I don't know. Why don't we just do a quick review here and hit time? It says 12. Well, that's not what we're shooting for. How about hours? 273. Does that tell us anything? No. It should say, if it's 273 and we go to time, it's saying 5:36 p.m. 1945 hours. 1975. Let's just go time. It says 6 p.m. We're not getting what we need. Let's try something else here. Control 1 and time. Can't do two columns at the same time. So just go 653, go to Control 1, go to custom. Let's go to, we have minutes, seconds, 0. Minutes, seconds. It ain't doing what I want it to. We just do a conversion. We have normal hours. What do we do? What is this? 23:03. How does Excel read this? It needs to break it down by 1/24. This number converted over here can't be any more than a 24-hour period. So what are we going to do? We're just going to take this number and divide it by 24. I kind of gave you a sneak preview. If we go back up to general, that's all we did. We just won. And then if you look over here, if I took this information, so all we do is we just grab this and you know all the options I've pointed out to you now. We have time, 11:02. What's the time over here? Go over here, time. If you really want to get fancy, you go equals this, equals this. And is it true? True. And they should all be true. Control down. I do that from time to time just to see if are true. They're equal. So you can always play around with that. Over here on the right, you know the drill. It's there. I just throwing examples at you as we go along here. I think of something and I go, that might be important. If not, just email me going, no, that wasn't important. Or yeah, keep throwing this stuff at us. It's helpful. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.